A wide, churning river separates two silent villages, a grim reminder of what once connected them. Young Samuel stands alone, a solitary figure on the riverbank, his eyes reflecting a world of isolation and quiet resolve. With a stone in hand, Samuel sends it spiraling into the churning depths, a symbol of dreams lost to the unforgiving river. He watches with solemn eyes as the stone disappears beneath the surface, each ripple echoing the silence of his world. Driven by an unseen force, Samuel begins to place stones in a deliberate line, a fragile bridge against the unyielding current. In this quiet act of defiance, Samuel's determination shines, a beacon of hope against the backdrop of a shattered world. Weeks turn into a silent testament of Samuel's relentless resolve, his solitary pursuit now echoing with the laughter of children. Small hands unite, lifting stones together to defy the river's relentless flow. From the sidelines, villagers mock the children's earnest labor, their laughter cutting through the air. The stones rise higher as one villager sneers, "Can a bridge be built this way?" Defiant in his purpose, Samuel focuses on the task, not responding to the jeering crowd. The children's laughter mingles with the river's flow, a challenge to the villagers' doubt. Months later, a new bridge stretches across the river, a symbol of renewed hope. Villagers gather on the bridge, their faces radiant with smiles, celebrating the restored connection. Samuel stands proudly at the heart of the bridge, a testament to his unwavering spirit. Unity often begins with one small step. The community surrounds Samuel, their laughter echoing across the water, celebrating unity. The scene explodes with vibrant colors and joyful sounds, a symphony of restored connection.